All right, we have our parking brake handled, set up. I did modify the thing from the Wilwood kit, the coupler, so it would fit onto our, I ended up drone tabbing it, onto our OEM tensioner. That's all handled and set. The cables are routed in the OEM locations and mounted in a similar fashion. So we are set, boys and girls. Hey, check and make sure those aren't pulled too tight. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice.
All right.
Yeah. All right, we're set. So parking brake done. We're gonna start getting our alignment ready. And the one thing I wanted to discuss is Scotty has the steering wheel set perfectly straight and the box is centered. We got our tie rods set perfectly straight and centered. One wheel is like this. One wheel is like this. You know why? Because it was not a...
Do it right correctly.
Yeah, because when they put the wheel on, they didn't do it right. So, we're making it square. All right, away we go.